Namaste parents and students. So today in online class we are going to see letter writing, isn't it? So we have written already so many letters till D we have written. Am I correct? So today what we are going to see is E. How we are going to write? E. Alphabet E we are going to write. Alright. So how to write we'll be seeing, and then we'll be seeing a rhyme song, and we'll be seeing the fine motor activity to make our fingers and hands strengthy to catch pencil and write. You should be able to hold the pencil and write. Okay, that is why we are doing this fine motor activity. You keep on repeating the squeezing, sponge squeezing in your house, because that activity, that sponge, it won't hurt you and it will make your fingers strong. Okay children, can we start writing? Come.
I share all my toys with girls and boys because it's fair, and I really care. Here's a list of things that I like to share. A big bouncy ball that we toss around. We'll play a game, don't let it hit the ground. You can hear us sing, it's fun, you'll see, and that's how it's supposed to be. If someone asks you why, just say they do the same for me. Sharing, I like to share. I share all my toys with girls and boys because it's fair, and I really care. Here are more special things that I like to share. I share colored pencils when it's time to draw. When my mommy pours some juice, she always gives me 2 straws. She knows I like to share my juice with her. It's Uncle left right next to her. She knows I really care and says, I'm glad you like to share. Sharing, it's fun to share. I share all my toys with girls and boys because it's fair, and I really care. I will try my best to always share. You can bring other joy when you share your toys. It's a great feeling too when people share with you. So the next time you start playing, try to think of ways of sharing. Bring a smile to people's faces. You can share things every day.
Today I am going to show you how to do ladyfinger printing. For this you need few ladyfingers. It is good if the ladyfingers are of big size, so that it is easy for your child to hold it and to do the printing, and the printing comes out very nicely. Few poster colors in bowls. I have taken blue, orange, yellow and green. Some tissues to dab the extra color, and a plain white sheet of paper. Now ask your child to take the ladyfinger and dip the ladyfinger into the color of his choice. I am putting it into the blue color. If there is some extra color, ask your child to first dab it onto the tissue paper. Now ask your child to hold the ladyfinger firmly into his hand and press it onto the white sheet of paper like this. And to do as many times till the color comes out of the ladyfinger. Then again he can put the ladyfinger into the color, dab the extra color onto the tissue and repeat the activity. For another color, it is good if you use another ladyfinger so that there is no smudging. Now we will do it with orange color like this. Ladyfinger printing is very exciting and the children enjoy it very much. It's a very colorful activity and gives a lot of pleasure to the children. Now I will do it with yellow color like this. Let's do it with green color. Put it in the color, take the color, dab the extra color and put it on the paper like this. this is how it will be done. First, ask your child to do it in an open space. Once he knows how to do the printing, now you can do it in an enclosed space. I have drawn 4 pictures: umbrella, girl, ball and butterfly. I have done ladyfinger printing into the umbrella, in girl's frock, in the ball, and now we will do it into the butterfly's wings. So again, take the ladyfinger, put it into the color, dab the extra color and put it into the butterfly's wings like this. Now I will take some orange color and print it like this. So ladyfinger printing is a very exciting activity. I hope your children will enjoy it.
Children, today we are going to write E letter. In previous class, we learnt A, B, C, D. Up to D letter, we know very well. Way of writing, we know very well. Today we are going to write E letter. Let me see, children. Tell me, how many lines will be there? 4 lines. Tell me now, what is this? Top red line, bottom red line, first blue line and second blue line. So 4 lines will be there. Now within this blue line we will write E. Shall we write, children? Touch middle of the blue line, draw a sleeping line. With a sleeping line, draw one opening curve. Touch the second blue line. See, in what letter, children? E. Again, shall we write, children? Middle of the blue line, draw one sleeping line. With a sleeping line, draw one opening curve. Touch the second blue line. What letter, children? E. Will you try, children? Middle of the blue line, draw one sleeping line. With the sleeping line, draw one opening curve. Touch the second blue line. What letter this is, children? Yeah, this is a E letter. Let me write, children. Middle of the blue line, draw one sleeping line. With the sleeping line, draw one opening curve. Touch the second blue line. Can you see, children? Tell me, what is this? E letter. Will you practice, children? We will